Good morning. This is your Monday, November 11th daily announcements. I'm Olivia Schultz and
I'm Christian Sternhagen.
Congratulations to the speech team for a wonderful performances last Thursday at Hillsborough. Summer Beckett, Olivia Holdman, and Taylor Francis all advanced to the league finals in their events. Theater, construction, and painting will take place this Saturday, the 10th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and next Saturday and Sunday, the 16th and 17th, starting at 10 a.m. each day. All tech crews must attend rehearsal Sunday, the 17th, to get official assignments for the fall play.
The play Flowers for Algernon will run November 21st through November 23rd at 7 p.m. each night. Please join us for a powerful drama about a man who's given an amazing opportunity and then has to cope with the reality of that gift being ripped away. Tickets are $4 at lunch each day or $5 each night of the play at the door.
Congratulations to Rachel Meyer, who was selected the first team JCAA All-Conference team, and Alex Tenen, who was selected to the second team JCAA All-Conference team. Senior softball players, the Twin City Girls Softball Scholarship application is now available in the guidance counselor office. A+ tutors, if you are currently tutoring, timesheet 6 is due today. Please be sure to turn in your timesheet today and pick up timesheet 7 in the counseling center or at Mr. Early's office for upcoming weeks.
Future Teachers of America. Our next meeting is in room 215 in Mrs. Bauman's room on November 11th. If you're interested in teaching and are considering being an educator at some level in the future, this is the club for you. We have guest speakers, field trip opportunities, cadet teaching, and portfolio building. Cake pop sales for Project Prom will be Friday 15th during all lunch periods. Cake pops will be $1 and all proceeds will go towards Project Prom. Upcoming college visits. Fontbonne University November 12th at 9 a.m. Missouri Baptist University November 12th at 1 p.m. Paul Mitchell, the school, November 15 at 8 a.m.
The FHS class of 2015 has just kicked off its fundraising campaign to support next spring's prom. This is a great and easy way to support FHS. Prizes include a free lunch at Ruby Tuesdays during school, free prom tickets, and a scratch-off lottery cards redeemable for cash. Look in the news section of the FHS website for more specific information. On the following days: Tuesday, November 12th, Friday, November 15th. If you need additional materials or have any questions, please stop by Mr. Schnabel's room, 226. Used clothing to FCCLA for clothing drive to Miss Gibson's room, 207.
Volleyball banquet will be on Thursday, November 14 at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria, and the boys soccer banquet will be on Wednesday, November 20th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. Reminder to softball players and parents. The softball player recognition banquet will be on Tuesday, November 19th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria. Each family will be expected to bring a side dish.
Miss Lassing has accumulated a hat, 2 wallets, jewelry, and an eraser, 2 pairs of sandals, gloves, a bag with clothes, 2 sweat jackets, a men's shirt, a bandana, a bag, clothes from cross-country member, and lunch boxes. Please see Miss Lassing ASAP to claim your items. Attention seniors. Senior superlative forms are due to Miss Slama or your English teacher next Wednesday, October 13th. Senior information sheets are due at the end of first semester. See Miss Slama if you have any questions.
Okay. The activities and lunch menu are in the description below. Have a nice day.